Go Away Dog by Joan Nodsett. Go away, you bad old dog. Go away from me. I don't like you, dog. I don't like dogs at all. Big dogs, little dogs, any dogs at all. I don't want that stick. Don't give it to me. If I throw the stick, will you go away? There. Go away with... There now, go away with your stick. What do you want now? If I throw it again, will you go away? Don't jump on me, dog. I don't like that. Go away, you old dog. Go on home now. Don't you have a home? Well, that is too bad. But you can't go home with me. Don't wag your tail at me. I don't like dogs. You're not bad for a dog, but I don't like dogs. Say, do that again. Roll over again, dog. Say, that's not bad. Can you shake hands? This is how to shake hands. Don't lick my hand. Stop that, you old dog. If I play with you, will you go away? All right, let's run, dog. Can you run as fast as I can? You can run fast, all right. That was fun, dog. Maybe we can play again. But I have to go home now. No, you can't come. Go away now, dog. Don't look so sad, dog. Don't lick my hand. Can I help it if you don't have a home? Why don't you go away? You like me, don't you, you old dog? Well, I like you too. All right, I give up. Come on home, dog. Come on, let's run. The end.